Well, it's pineapple season again, so let's see how we clean our pineapples. First thing we do is we take the pineapple and we cut off the top, just like that. We put it to the side. Then we pick up this special gizmo and we put it right on the center. We push down like that and we start turning clockwise. Clockwise, like the clock goes like this, like this. Keep going, keep going. Get a good close-up of that. Get a good close-up of that. All the way to the bottom. Oh, I forgot to cut the bottom off. I think I gotta cut that off. Yeah, okay. Like this, like this. And then we pull it out. Like, yeah, there it is. Now, look at this. Take this off. And then, any spoon will do. Just push that through there. You do this, and voila. Perfect rings. Perfect rings every time. That's how